get everything about Hare Krishna, everything. Krishna's God, surrender to Guru. That's the main theme everywhere. Every verse is Hare Krishna. And anything about yoga, gyan, karma, it all means bhakti. Everything means bhakti. Everything means chant Hare Krishna. Everything means surrender to Guru. Everything means serve Krishna. Which is perfect. It's subjective. That's why it's as it is. As it is. Everyone is what they are is as it is for them. So I think everyone, myself especially, yours truly, this Bhagavad Gita, as it is, by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Srila Prabhupada, is what changed the course of my life, or at least appeared that way. Ultimately, it's Krishna's will and Krishna's doing and direction that I even came this side, or even got this book, or I appreciated this book. But even today, I read it and appreciate it. So these are all adjuncts and additions to that. I can see by reading it's so analytical and so, everything. And then you go back and read that, and read this, and see, there's all this. It's like, it just gets deeper and deeper. Great scholar. Here, in verses 13, 14, Krishna is speaking directly about the great Mahatmas and how they are dear to him. As such, as Krishna is speaking, Krishna's heart is in his throat as he's speaking lovingly, revealing his prominent quality that he's Bhakta Vatsala, partial to his devotees, ruled by their love.